These are petzys. You use them to pet animals and humans. Hey, but aren't humans animals? Yes, they are. How to make a petzy. We'll need a paper, some tape, scissors, and a popsicle stick that's small. Start off by cutting a rectangle or a square in your paper. Start at the corners for your first one. Mine isn't the best. Next, fold it. Like that. Then take a piece of tape to stop it from opening. Next, flip it over on its back and tape and put a popsicle stick like that. And take another piece of tape and tape it on. And now the final touch, we're going to add another piece of tape and put it over the piece of tape that has like a line at the end of the piece of tape. Do you see it? Like that. That's kind of like showing spikes. We're going to place a piece of tape over that. Tape it where the popsicle stick is. And there you have it, popsicle stick. If your petzy doesn't feel good like mine is, like if there's spikes, you see the end of the tape? There's spikes there. So we're going to put a piece of tape over that. Man, I'm wasting a lot of tape. Okay, where is it again? Ah, there it is. But if it still doesn't feel that good, then I don't know what to do, like mine. That's way 1. 2 is shorter. Cut a rectangle or a square on our piece of paper. There, this one's a lot better. And we're going to fold it. But this time, we're not going to add the tape at this point. We're going to get our popsicle stick and decide where its back is going to be. That's petting. I'm going to say this is going to be its back because it's not folded evenly there. So it's going to hurt less, maybe. But the corners could hurt you too. But like not real bad, but if you're not careful, like if you pet them sideways like this, that could hurt. So we got our tape, flip it over. This is the way I do it. And there we have it. Now we're going to take another piece of tape and put it over the other piece of tape so that we won't let it feel like it's spiky. Perfect. This one's perfect. That is how to make a petzy. See you in the next video. The Maxis has everything. Later. Can I have some crackers? Okay. We'll find you some. Later. Sorry we couldn't find any. The end.